મિત્રો પાર્ટ 3માં આપ સૌનું સ્વાગત છે. આજનો આપણો ટોપિક છે પલક્કડ પબ્લિક લાઇબ્રેરી યુનિટ 1. ક્વેશ્ચન એન્ડ આન્સરની શરૂઆત કરીએ. ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 1. વેર હેઝ ધ પલક્કડ ડિસ્ટ્રિક્ટ પબ્લિક લાઇબ્રેરી બીન અપ એન્ડ રનિંગ? Palakkad District Public Library has been up and running in Kerala. Question number 2. When was the Palakkad District Public Library started? Answer. The Palakkad District Library was started in September 2013. Question number 3. What is the Palakkad District Public Library a center for? The Palakkad District Public Library is a center of information, knowledge, wisdom, cultural activities, research and references. What was library? Why was library in news? The library was in news because the women members supported by the safe space the library offered them launched a women's unit in February 2014. Next question is, when did the library launch a women's unit? The library launched a women's unit in February 2014. Question number 6. What is unique about the library member? The unique about the library members is that 1/3 of the 1,000 members of the library are women. Question number 7. What did the women's unit discuss? Answer. The women's unit discussed the methods of empowering women. Next question. For what did the library open its halls? The library opened its hall for skill screening, workshops in home economics or gardening, childcare of the arts, and for women to get help in managing family conflicts, legal disputes, and professional problems. Question number 9. What did the secretary point out? The secretary pointed out that through reading, women would realize their own strength and forge a unity. Question number 10. How does the library help women? Answer. The library helps women to manage family conflicts, legal disputes, and professional problems. What kind of workshops are conducted in the library? Workshops in home economics or gardening, childcare of the arts are conducted in library. Question number 12. What would the woman realize through reading? Answer. The woman would realize their strength and forge a unity through reading. Question number 13. What was the problem of the libraries of earlier times and the present times? Answer. The libraries of the earlier times were disappearing and the libraries of the present times were too full of male readers. Answer number 14. What will happen if the women continue to squander their time in watching TV? If the one well-read women of Kerala continue to squander their hours in front of television, it would encourage a climate in which women are afraid to go out after dark. Question number 15. What plans has the unit formulated? The unit has formulated plans on opening separate reading rooms for women. Question number 16. What did the women's unit discuss? Answer. The women's unit discussed that if the one well-read women of Kerala continue to squander their hours in front of television, it would encourage a climate in which women are afraid to go out after dark. Question number 17. Like what does the library stand tall? The library stands tall like a beacon. Question number 18. What does the library stands as? The library stands as beacon to encourage women's empowerment through classes, clubs, workshops and reading rooms. Question number 19. How will the books help women? Answer. The books will give women the strength to make the good use of opportunities and empower themselves. Question number 20. How does the library encourage the women empowerment? Answer. The library encourages women empowerment through classes, clubs, workshops, reading rooms. ઓકે ડિયર સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, તો આજે આપણે પાર્ટ ત્રણની ચર્ચા કરી છે. હવે નેક્સ્ટ વિડીયોમાં પાર્ટ 3ની આપણે ચર્ચા કરી છે. નેક્સ્ટ વિડીયોમાં આપણે યુનિટ 2નો વિડીયો મૂકીશું અને યુનિટ 2ના પાર્ટ 1ની ચર્ચા કરીશું. ઓકે.